trying to figure out if the average of the list of 7 numbers is negative. If I look at clue 1, let me draw out my 7 numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I'm not that sure that'll help me or not. Clue 1. 4 of the 7 numbers in the list is negative. Well, that's not going to help me because that number could be negative, 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 negative. But you've got 3 spots left, and those numbers could be so large to offset the average to be positive. So clue 1 doesn't work. Clue 2. It says the sum of the 7 numbers, is negative. Well, that works because the way you find the average, you sum up the numbers and then you would divide by however many numbers you have. In this case, you have 7. So clue 2 tells me you have a negative sum divided by positive 7. That would give me negative. And so is the average negative? Yes. The answer would be B.